What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. Welcome back to AMC stock, which has been exploding in the market. Tons and tons of volume and very volatile. As we can see, yesterday was very green for AMC, as well as a bunch of the other retail stocks, such as GameStop, which was up even more than AMC, up around 27% on the day. So AMC, there's a ton of bullish momentum, and everyone is just really looking towards these stocks because there's tons of momentum, tons of volume. The volume is more than triple than what it normally is, and we're sitting back at some really nice price points of mid $40. So I know a lot of the apes are very satisfied with this price movement, and overall it's gaining a lot of traction. AMC is definitely back on the menu, and we're going to be taking a look at what levels AMC needs to break in order to go to the absolute moon. So heading over to TradingView, we can see that in the short term we do need to break just around $47, which is just $2 over the current stock price. But on the daily chart, we do need to break this pretty big resistance of $60 to $61. But once that happens, we can see AMC go to really sky high levels that we've never seen before. But in the short term, we're just trying to inch our way up. This huge green candle with a lot of volume shows really good signs of bullish momentum, and of course when something rises this fast, you're gonna see some minor pullback, which we did see in the day. It pulled back maybe a $2 to $5 per share. But overall it's stabilized around the mid $40 price point, which is very solid for AMC and provides really strong support for AMC stock to be justified at this price point. Because remember, stocks can't run up forever. Eventually, people are going to say, hey, this stock is up so much in this short period of time, I'm going to be taking profits. We always have to keep in mind the price psychology for that. But overall, we're still going to be holding our shares, and we're just going to wait out this game, because this is a long-term game. We don't know when the squeeze is going to happen, but this is a very good indicator, really good breakout of AMC stock from this bear trend. And it's gaining a lot of traction with the other retail stocks as well. GameStop up tons of percent on the day, as well as BlackBerry, Wish, Clover Health Investments, Clean Energy Fuels. All these retail stocks are gaining a lot of traction and are absolutely soaring in the market, which is very good for us as retail investors. So overall, if you are not in AMC stock and you would like to get into AMC stock, but you don't know what a good price point to get into, selling some cash secured puts is a good way to collect some premium, or just end up buying the dip. So as you can see, there's some really good support around the $38 price point. So we can sell some cash secured puts at that level in order to collect some really nice premium, because remember, implied volatility is very high on AMC stock, and we're going to be using that to capitalize on some really nice option plays if you are not on the stock already. So let's head over to the options chain. We're going to be going to selling and put, because this strategy is cash secured put. In order to sell a put, you need to put down 100 times the strike price as collateral. If AMC goes below that strike price at expiration, you have to buy 100 shares at that price point, which is a nice way to end up buying the dip, because we don't know what AMC stock is going to do. It's a pretty volatile, and we cannot really predict where it's going, but overall the momentum is pretty bullish. So selling some cash secured puts on AMC is going to give us some really nice premium on their options, as well as giving us an opportunity to buy the dip in case AMC stock does end up pulling back. So as you can see, a $38 cash secured put is going to give you $102 of premium in just 2 days. So this is a really nice option strategy. We're selling a cash secured put under the stock price, which is AMC is currently at $45 per share. So we're selling our put at a strike price that is over $7 under the current stock price. Very, very safe strike. Really, really nice chance of profit as well. And the good news is implied volatility is very high, which means premiums are going to be very high as well. $102 in just two to 3 days, because this expires this Friday. So very, very short expiration date. And this is a way to get into AMC stock at a really cheap price. If you want to be collecting a little bit more premium, you could do the September 3rd expiration date. Because remember, the further out we go, the more premium you can collect on your contracts. So again, there is a major support at $32 per share, as well as $33. So if you want to be a little bit safer, you can go further down on these strike prices for next week. As we can see here, if you sell a $33 cash geared put, you're receiving over $100 of credit in just a week and a half, and you're selling it at a very, very safe strike price at $33 per share, which is $12 under the current stock price. Very, very high chance of profit, and very, very high chance for it to go your way. Of course, if you are pretty bullish on it still, you could sell the $38 strike or the $37, and you're going to be collecting over $200 of premium. Very, very nice premium to collect, and a great way to end up buying the dip if AMC does end up dipping. But of course, in the short term, it may continue to pull back a little, but that's just really nice price action and price psychology, because when something runs up really fast, people see it as a good selling opportunity, and they do want to sell some of their positions. That's just going to happen with any stock, including AMC, but it's stabilizing, which is really nice, and we can see a very nice uptrend later on in the week if the momentum continues throughout the rest of the trading days. So that's about it for this video. If it helped you in any way, please leave a like, comment down below what your thoughts are on AMC, how many shares are you holding, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.